Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. I got up early this morning and before I came to work I was in a rush. I didn't got time to record anything, but I vinyl wrap this whole chrome piece on it. I used some vinyl wrap that I had left from the roof, which I'm gonna have to redo because it got really messed up there. So I'm gonna have to redo this. I already ordered another vinyl wrap, but I end up vinyl wrap the door handles. I put the side skirts, which this one I'm gonna have to take out and redo it because the glue came off all the way. So I'm gonna have to take it off and redo it. Just take the 3M tape out and then put new 3M tape on it. And I put the front lip on it. This one don't use 3M tape. This one is a screw. So I screw this one in, and I did the other side for the chrome. And then this one is pretty good. So this side skirt I don't need to mess with it. And then I made these letters myself because I have some vinyl wrap from this that I use. I use some white pearl vinyl wrap, and I did this on the tail lights. So I did them letters and put them there. And then I took the emblem off and I put a vinyl wrap white pearl, and then I paint the emblem black and then put it back on. And it turned out pretty damn dope. And the eyelids on the tail light turned out pretty damn dope. So I put the trunk spoiler on. Man, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna get ready to paint the rear lip because I ran out of paint. I'm using the jet black color from my BMW that I used to have. I ordered the same paint for the BMW, the jet black, because it's a really dark black. So that's how I paint this, and that's how I'm painting the rear lip. I use the jet black for this one too. So I use the jet black with clear coat in it, and then I add clear coat on top of that. So yeah, if you got any questions, just leave it on the comment section. I'm waiting on some wheel spacers. I ordered 15 millimeters for the front. I ordered 20 millimeters for the back. How it's gonna look with them, I don't know if they're gonna stick out too much, but that one is pretty stuck inside. And then this one on the front is not that bad, but 15 millimeters, I think it should be good. If it's too crazy, I just take them back off. But yeah, anyway, I put the white pearl vinyl here too. And I tint the headlights and I tint the front emblem too. So if you got any questions, leave it on the comment section and let me know. Thank you to the new subscribers. Follow the journey. Oh, baby, looking good. Mwah, looking good. But anyway, until the next one, gotta get back to work. Work.